Real Estate Investing 2022. One of the most extraordinary rising home markets in American history was sparked by the pandemic. Home prices rose by a record 19.9% this year. Let's look at some of the reasons you might want to think about it as well as a few reasons you might want to avoid it. Even more urgently, if you want to buy for investment motives, is it too late to join the hype? Motives for real estate investment in 2022. Let's look at a few reasons real estate can be your best chance as an investment possibility in the new year as you want to make wise judgments going forward. Reason 1, property values won't rise to 2021 levels. Despite a projected 19.5% increase in home value, according to Zillow, home value growth will still end up at about 11% in 2022. Even so, it'll turn out to be among the best years in the history of real estate. The median price of existing homes is expected to rise, according to the Mortgage Bankers Association. It anticipates a 15.3% increase in housing prices. According to the association, existing property values may wind up at $352,000, a 2.5% decrease. Second, you have to move. In 2021, 56% of Americans as a whole intended to relocate, up from 35% in 2020. Here are some reasons that can impact your decisions. Changing economic conditions, an increase in remote employment opportunities, and a desire to move to less crowded places. Putting the record-high prices and bidding wars of 2021 behind us. 2022 might be your best choice if you need to relocate. Third, interest rates are still very low. Although interest rates are now low, they will start to increase in 2022. The Federal Reserve gave the impression that rate increases will probably start in 2022. Before 2023, the Fed said, Americans should anticipate 3 more rate increases. By making a purchase before rates rise, you might want to avoid interest rate rises. Reason number 4, rental demand will rise. 2022 can be the year for you if you're hoping to invest in real estate to profit greatly from rental properties. Rent may be out of reach for many people until the real estate market expands and prices level off. Even in the single-family home market, many prospective buyers might discover that they are unable to save enough money for sizable down payments. In the end, many tenants will decide to remain in the rental market longer, which is good news for you as a landlord. Reasons to rethink real estate investing in 2022. However, market forces may drive you to hold off until buyers instead than sellers are favored in the housing market. Let's investigate what those potential influences might be. First, there might be some competition. A staggering 74.3% of offers in April 2021 contained bidding battles. Redfin reported that when purchasers became weary of exorbitant home prices and the housing market entered a seasonal slowdown, competition decreased at the end of the year. Expect bidding battles to break out throughout the prime buying seasons of spring and summer next year. Second reason, it will probably still be a seller's market. Due to remote operations, high demand and low supply in popular locations still result in occasional supply challenges, particularly in the spring and summer. This is because of years of underbuilding. Determine if investing in real estate makes sense for you. In the end, no matter how many economic papers you read, if you have to move, nothing will help. According to Zillow, those with more flexible employment opportunities have tended to favor the Sun Belt. Does investing in real estate make sense for you next year, though, if you wish to do so through rental properties? If so, establish a list of the advantages and disadvantages and decide what kind of investment makes the most sense in the real estate markets you'd like to look into. To find out about trends in the regions that interest you, it might not be a terrible idea to speak with a real estate agent. I hope this video was helpful to you. If so, please click the like button. Also, don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more engaging content.